Today we are making a tabletop lamp. Let me show you really quick how to make it. This is super easy. First, you're going to look for 2 of these from Dollar Tree. It's a simple little twist cap on, and there it goes. But anyway, it's battery operated, and we're going to spray paint those. That's why I took them off. It's just an easy twist, and you guessed it, we're going to glue those together using hot glue. Now, to change the battery, it's a simple twist, same idea, and you can just change the batteries that way. Make sure to have both switches on the same side. Now we're going to go ahead and get a candle holder or pillar, and we're going to glue what we just created onto that, and that's it. You are done. Such a simple and easy DIY, and this is your quick reminder to subscribe if you love what you see so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And let me show you how it looks really quick. So this is how it looks like off, and you can definitely spray paint the center any color you'd like, or add Mod Podge and add some glitter to it if you want to. Like I always say, take the idea, make it your own, and make it fit your style. And I'm definitely going to add this to a centerpiece during Christmas time on my table because this looks absolutely gorgeous next to that Christmas tree. And this is how it looks like. Look how much light it's giving off. For under $4, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. But you know, I want to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. Till next time, bye!